What's going on YouTube? It's the real James Crawford. So right now I'm on the way to go get my windshield tinted. Pretty excited right now. I only have about like a 6 to 8 inch sun visor, but I'm gonna get this whole thing tinted today. So we just pulled up to the shop and everything. And the guy tinted my windshield is not here. He's not even here yet. Thompson. My baby's getting tinted. I decided to go like 35% on the windshield, so hopefully something on the camera. Hopefully it's not too dark, but we'll see. Back, I did just get my windshield tinted, and this is dark. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's 35%, and then I got about like a limo or 5% up top strip. But I don't know if you can really see from the inside, but from the outside you can really tell. It's like can't even really see at all. And then my rear windows, they're already tinted, but it is so dark. Wow. Just got back to the house. So it's parked in the shade right now, and this windshield is dark. Oh my God. That's crazy. Shout out to Bear Essentials. Just picked up a table for the apartment. We gotta get this shit loaded in. That was such a fail. That did not work at all. We drove 30 minutes out just to figure that out. How do you feel?
Pretty fucking pissed, dude. It was a long fucking drive for no reason.
God. That sucked.
Fuck!
Hell no. Ooh.
Yeah, it's an off-white.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to take them for my birthday.
Which one? These?
Travis Scott ones.
I gave you these right here.
They go crazy. In your nose, man.
This is your first test? Nah, this is like my 5th one, bro, so I already know what the fuck you about to do. Damn, bro.
Come on, man.
Let go. You want me to, is it better if I put my head on the headrest? Yeah, you can like it. So I take, oh shit, hold on, do I? How did I do it last time? They told me to put my head back. That's good, I'll just do it. Alright, go. I hate that shit. God damn, but that shit went through here. It came out through my ear.
Slide into that car, man. Alright, motherfucker, go ahead. Sheesh. That's okay.
And here's to get your COVID test results. And James Crawford, 04/29/2000.
Yep.
Let me get this in my finger. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Oh shit. Damn.
That's it.
Alright.
And we're good to go.
Alright, cool. Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
You too. Damn, that shit touched my motherfucking brain. Fuck. Let's ride. So there's like a really big car meet going on tonight. I'm actually gonna go for sure this time. Last weekend I actually missed it and didn't get to go. My boy hooked it up in the kitchen once again.
You feel me?
Yeah, sir. About to grub.
Chef Jordan in the motherfucking crib.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to head to the car meet right now with my boy Thompson and the scat. Pretty sure I remember from a previous video. And we out. Fuck. Haven't even started the meet yet and it's already, shit's already happening.
Hang out the door and record or what?
Still at the first spot, this is kind of boring.
Oh, it is a Hellcat.
Alright, y'all, so the car meet just finished up. It is currently about like 1:30 in the morning. I'm super tired. He's super tired. And we still got like an hour and a half drive back. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that concludes the video.